Based on the video with Terrence Hall and his interview of saying 1 times 1 equals 2, I redid the multiplication table. Well, the 1 through 6 multiplications and 0 right there. Okay. What this is, okay, this what a lot of people confused about. A times B is not B times A. This is how it is. Because A times B is supposed to mean to add or have the plus symbol B times. People misinterpret it is to take B number of A and add them. Multiplication is basically a higher form of addition, so show increase. And probably the only multiplication table that right is 0 times number, which would be 0, because 0 no matter how many times you add 0 to itself, it will always be 0, because if you add nothing to nothing, you still got nothing. And any number times 0 equals any number. Because any number alone, if you add it to itself 0 times, don't add nothing at all, it will still have that number. So you still got to keep that number, because it got to be equalized. Yeah. 1 times 1 equals 2. So that basically said 1 plus 1 equals 2. I had put on my idea online on YouTube before, and somebody said 1 is adding itself 1 time and 1 plus 1 is adding itself twice. But you only add, there's one operation in it, 1 plus 1. That one operation is that 1 plus sign. People keep on thinking of it being how many numbers it's supposed to be, then add those numbers. But it's supposed to be how the total operations. That's what it's supposed to be. You say it's supposed to add to itself. How many times add itself? Not how the total number and then add those. 1 times 1 equals 2, 3. Basically, you move up 1. Where 2 0 become, where 1 times 0 will be 1. And 1 times 1 equals 2. 1 times 2 is 3, as you can see. And 2 times 1 equals 4. This is why A times B is not equal to B times A. Because look at it, 1 times 2 equals 3. So you got 1 plus 1 plus 1. That 2 operation are adding to itself. So that's 3. And 2 times 1 equals 4, because you add 2 plus 2, that's 4. That's one operation of adding to itself. And here we go. 3 times 1 equals 6. But here, 1 times 6 equals 7. Because you add up 1 7 times. 6 times. And you get 7. So that means instead of thinking, using the 6 as, oh, it's supposed to be 6 ones and add that, you're supposed to say 1 plus 1 6 times. You're supposed to say plus that 6 times. So 1, shit, what the hell? Shit. I meant doing, well, since I said 1 plus 6, shit, 6 times 1 is 12, and 1 times 6 is 7. And for 3 times 1 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 4. So 1 plus 1, that's 1 time, plus 1, that's 2 times, plus 1, that's 3 times. So they're really, you just added this. I don't see how people get not understand how he coming up with it. And like 2 times 3 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 9. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. That 3 times and that 2 times for the 3. 3 times for the 2 and 2 for the 3. If once you did it for 3, it's be 9. 3 times 2 is 9. 2 times 3 is 8. Here you go. 4 times 5 equals 24. And 5 times 24 equals 25.